Hello, everybody. We will begin to discuss all about the creation of expression tree um, from the prefix expression. So I'll begin to give you a prefix expression later on, and we will begin to convert that into the particular um, expression tree, how we will begin to define that. So suppose that we are given here, we have to begin by reading the prefix expression from left to right. Start from leftmost character of the prefix expression. So the operator appears before the operands. So it must be like that. So here then, what we'll begin to work on, let's say you see here, identify the operator and create a node for that. So once an operator is encountered, you have to create a new node for that. And this node will eventually becomes the root node of the expression tree or the root node of the expression tree or an internal node. So what will gonna happen here then is those operand will be our leaf node. And in that leaf node, we cannot insert anymore. And what will gonna happen for this right now? Um, we have to recursively process the operands left and right subtrees. Next, process the operands either directly or a sub-expression. The operands will be added as leaf nodes in the expression tree. If an operand is another expression, we recursively repeat the process for that sub-expression. So I just wanted you to also know that you have to place the operands as leaf node. For each operand, like those variables, you have to create that as a leaf and attach it to the corresponding operator, node as a child. And operands are the simplest nodes in the tree. And then afterwards, you repeat the process for each operator and operand, continue processing each operator and operand in the perfect expression until the entire expression is represented as a tree. Then lastly, once all operators and operands are processed, the tree will be constructed. The final structure represents the expression. And then we can also check that if that's correct using um, pre-ordered traversal, which is the root left and the right subtree. So let's try to check that one in an example. Let me just go ahead and share my iPad first. Okay, suppose that we are giving here a specific simple example for the prefix notation. What will gonna happen here? You have to work on with this one. So from this notation, from this regular expression, minus will be the root node, and then there is plus actually. So plus will eventually the child of the minus of the left child, and then there is multiplication also, and multiplication of the left side of the notation of plus. Then there is AB. A will be inserted in the left position of multiplication, and then that is the left one, so we cannot insert anymore. So therefore, we can insert that at the right already, right most. And then afterwards, we have to evaluate the division. So there is division. Where can we insert that one? So we go backtrack. So plus don't have any right side, and we can insert division right there. And then under division, there will be C and D. So what will gonna happen? We can insert C and we can insert D here. So what will gonna happen in this particular step? Since that is already a leaf node, we can go backtrack and the remaining operators that don't have any child is actually the root node, which is the minus. And then afterwards, we do have the exponential. The exponent will be inserted, and then E will be the left child, and then going to the right side, it will become the multiplication. And then under multiplication, we can there will be G and the H, and then we are done working on with the expression tree. So let's try to check this prefix if that is correct by getting the pre-order traversal. The pre-order traversal that is actually from left going to the, I don't know, we visit the root, then left, then the right. So that's how it works for pre-order. So it will become the minus, then plus, then multiplication, and then there is A, and then go to the back, right side B, then backtrack, and we're done with this. Go to the left side, and that is the root, and then go to the left and right, C and D, backtrack. So we're done with this. Go to here, to B, then go to the E, and then go to the multiplication, and then go to G and H. So this is how it works. So let's try to see if this is connected here. So they are correct. So that therefore this is our correct expression 3 from our prefix expression. Okay. Thank you so much for everybody, and I'll begin to go ahead and illustrate as well the different scenario for getting the regular expression 3 from the post expression already. Okay, thank you so much and